Intro by Kazone. Welcome to Bikazone, where we break down the latest vehicles in a clear and simple way. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, a car that continues to define affordable and practical mobility for millions of drivers. Overview of the 2026 Alto 800. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 stays true to its reputation as a compact, budget-friendly hatchback designed for everyday use. With its small footprint and lightweight build, it remains an ideal choice for city driving, first-time car buyers, and families looking for a reliable second car. Design and exterior. The exterior of the 2026 Alto 800 features subtle design refinements that give it a fresher, more modern look. The compact body, redesigned front grille, and updated headlights help the car feel contemporary while keeping its simple and functional character. Its small size makes parking and maneuvering through tight urban spaces effortless. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Alto 800 offers a practical cabin focused on usability. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with easy-to-reach controls and improved materials compared to previous models. Despite its compact dimensions, the cabin provides decent headroom and legroom for daily commutes, along with a usable boot space for groceries and small luggage. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is powered by an efficient 800cc petrol engine, tuned for better fuel economy and smoother performance. The engine delivers adequate power for city traffic while maintaining low running costs. Its light steering and compact wheelbase make it easy to drive, even for new drivers. Mileage and efficiency. One of the strongest points of the Alto 800 is its excellent fuel efficiency. The 2026 model continues this legacy, offering impressive mileage that helps keep fuel expenses low, making it a smart option for budget-conscious buyers. Safety and features. Maruti Suzuki has enhanced safety with features such as airbags, ABS with EBD, seatbelt reminders, and improved body structure. While it remains an entry-level car, the Alto 800 now feels more secure and compliant with modern safety standards. Conclusion. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 proves that simplicity, affordability, and reliability can still go hand in hand. For buyers seeking a dependable, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-own car, the Alto 800 continues to be a strong and sensible choice. Stay tuned to Bikazone for more honest and detailed automotive insights.